Hi, it's Gil, and welcome to Burkland Gardens. Today, taking a day off for the next couple of months. Day off from selling plants and being open for the nursery. But this is my son Travis, and this is Alex, his son, my grandson, and another grandson behind me. Where'd he go? He's tall enough. So, and this Carter. And so, anyway, doing some wood chipping here. Travis had a lift out here a few days ago, and so I would say that maybe we don't need to plant another tree on this property because it's just a lot of work to remove. A lot of trees are growing together, and I've mentioned that before. But so we have a chipper, and I like to use the chips. And I was joking with Travis that so I'm on wood chip restriction because I got 3 loads of wood chips from a tree service here a few weeks ago, and he's going to be putting a lot of this in the grass to mow and to maintain it. So just getting it back into shape where we can maintain it and use it and maybe do whatever. It's more of a hobby place, right? Yep. Your goal is just to
make it easy.
Make it easy. So unfortunately, there's some really cool trees that have to come down, but it's just the way it is. When things outgrow, there's space and everything grows together. So anyway, we're gonna have some shots of the chipper going, and we'll be back in a little bit. So thanks for joining us today. So I want to thank you for joining us on a Saturday before the 4th. 4th of July comes this Thursday. And we're going to continue on with wood chipping and do some cleanup here. It's like a never-ending battle, so it's just trying to get everything in shape. So we'll move forward with the nursery. The nursery behind me, I've probably sold at least half of my inventory over the last couple months, having sales and advertising that was closing. And we'll continue on with online sales, and I'm growing a few vegetables these days and just doing some other things too. So thank you for joining us, and we'll have some more neighborhood type videos. I hope you enjoyed if you commented on it, but also I still love the conifers and Japanese maples, and we'll have more on that as well. So until next time, thanks and goodbye.